And we're back to using ChatGPT. This time I'm going to show you the basics of keyword research, one of the best things that you can do using ChatGPT. Let us just start with a basic example and how I would approach it. At first, I like to give ChatGPT an idea of what I intend to do with it. So I just tell him what I want to do. And afterwards, I ask him, for example, what makes a good keyword or what makes the best keyword, something like this. And this way, ChatGPT knows what I specifically wanted to do in this chat. And you could say that it learns from giving these answers, and these are going to affect the future answers. So let me just type in what makes a good keyword. ChatGPT now knows what I want. If I ask it afterwards to give me keywords, it's going to refer to this basic list of what makes a good keyword. Let me just use Brainstorm seed keywords. I will make it about a simple topic. I would approach it like this: brainstorm seed keywords about the topic, and then place your topic. What can we make it about? Well, let's stick to ChatGPT. So let's just say I have a blog, YouTube channel, whatever, and I want to have keywords for my YouTube videos or for my blog posts. So how to use ChatGPT is my main keyword, and it generates 10 ideas like this. You can always say, give me 10 more, and you get additional 10. Every time I've done it so far, it gave me 10 at first. So maybe it is like a default number, but you could just type in, give me 50, and you would get 50. But you don't have to stop here. For now, we have the term ChatGPT always inside. Let's say we want to have a different word. So I would write, give me related keywords that use the term AI, for example. So in this case, it didn't give me a good result. So we have artificial intelligence, but that's basically it. But we want to have the specific term AI as part of our keywords. So just write, only give me keywords that contain AI. And now you can see every keyword has AI in it. And you can take it a step further by just combining the term AI and the term ChatGPT to have keywords that have both terms. So give me keywords that use AI and ChatGPT. And now every single one of these ideas has both terms. Another good approach is to give it the task to give me a long tail keywords. Once again, I specify the term that I want, so in this case ChatGPT. And now you get these longer keywords that might have lower competition. A great thing to do is to give it a specific word length for your keywords. So that's also possible. Let me just type in, give me 10 more, but they should have 5 to 6 words each. So now you have these, let's say, mid-length keywords. So the more specific you make your tasks, the more specific your results will be. Another good approach is to just type in what questions a user would, for example, put into the YouTube search bar to find information about ChatGPT. Because most users, they still type in questions into search bars, into Google. So these questions become keywords themselves. And again, we'll get 10 by default, but we don't have to stop here. The best thing that we can do once we've got our keywords is to categorize them in a table. So if you just write categorize all the keywords in this chat into a table, you get this. And this is, I think, the most powerful task that you can give ChatGPT in the end, because you get a perfect list of keywords to use, depending on the specific category that you need. I've just made it generally right here, but you could obviously also define the categories that you want for your table. So if you specifically want keywords for SEO, make sure that this category is part of your prompt. Otherwise, ChatGPT will generate its own categories for this example. But if you have a specific task, make sure to include a specific category for your tables. Let's just say we have a product that we want to sell and we need keywords for that. So I'll switch to a totally different topic here. Give me keywords about a product. Let's say best e-scooters. Just so that we have a starting point. And when you have a website or you want to make videos for such a topic, it's a good idea to ask specifically what a potential buyer of such a product would type into Google. And this is the way to find good keywords to sell these products. So once again, start with a general prompt and then dig deeper with such questions. So here I write what search requests would a potential buyer type into Google to find the best e-scooters to buy. It hung itself up, so I had to regenerate it, but here we are. And now you could add all of these things that I've done prior to the ChatGPT keyword research, and in the end categorize them via a table, just like we did here. And these are the basics of how I use ChatGPT for keyword research. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.